love me, don't let go. If you love me, don't let go. Hold on to me, 'cause I'm a little unsteady, a little unsteady. Hold.
In the abundance of water, the fool is thirsty. Bob Marley. Bob Marley said, in the abundance of water, the fool is thirsty. What does the quote mean? The quote means inavailability of water. The fool remains thirsty. We need to map. Let me map for you the keys. Let me bring for you the keys on the map of this quote. Quotes are like atlas that needs map interpretation using the key. The first key we're going to look at is water. Water are the options. Then secondly, a fool represents somebody who lacks knowledge. And then thirst is the inability to complete a task. I want to give you an example. People always try to believe that they can do anything. And sometimes there was a day, bring you a story, there was a day a guy went to cut trees in the bush. He had put his axe on his shoulder. The guy went cutting trees in the bush, cutting trees. Then he had to put the axe back on the shoulder, sat under the tree. Then he started looking for the axe. Forgot that it was on his shoulder. The guy looked around, the axe was not there. The guy went home, looking for the axe everywhere quietly. People were just busy doing their things. They were wondering. Then the guy talked that, where is my axe? The time that he talked that, where is my axe? The time that the axe fell from the shoulder on the ground. Pambalam. And people said, yes, that's the axe. So, in the abundance of water, the fool is thirsty. Let's be able to detect options to solve problems. If not, we will not be able to solve problems. Thank you for watching The Hard Way on Rural Folklore. Please subscribe. Bye bye.
Hold on to me, 'cause I'm a little